I just picked up my Target Baby Registry welcome bag and I'm super excited. There's a ton of stuff in here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that's inside. So first I got, it looks like the little storage bags and nursing pads. I got 2 of each. I got some pacifiers from Bibs. These are cute little colors, neutral. They sent over water wipes, which these are ones I plan on using. Also, they sent over Huggies sensitive wipes and honest wipes. I love though that they sent other options because if baby boy doesn't love these, I'll definitely try these out. Also, these will be great to put in like diaper bags or on the go. Bottle and dish soap. Excited about this little sample. Looks like we got a Huggies diaper for 3 diapers, size 1. It looks like we also got a Philips anti-colic bottle in this little bag. We got a Dr. Brown's bottle. I hear this one's really good, so I'm excited about that. Some stuff for mom. So this is Stretch Mark, like cocoa butter from Palmer's. I hear these are amazing, so I should use those right now. We got some Smarty Pants prenatal formula vitamins. Also, oh, this is great. It's newborn laundry detergent. I didn't know until recently that you need to use different laundry detergent. That's good for their sensitive skin. So got some of that. Also a little sample of Aquaphor for baby. This will be great just to throw in the diaper bag. Some boogie wipes. I'm really excited about these. And then we received some diaper rash ointment. Looks like some Johnson newborn wash and shampoo. And then we have the Grip Water, a little sample of this guy. So that is everything in the bag, which I feel like that's a ton of stuff. Some of these other welcome bag boxes, I feel like you don't get as much stuff and it's not as good as this. So this again is the Target one. I recommend getting this one. You can go in store and get it, or you can have it shipped to you.